I'm Kerri Hollywood from CFP Kingston, and one fun Friday night family activity you can do is to create a time capsule. It's a lot of fun for everyone, and it doesn't matter if you use a box to put your items in or a bottle, and the kids can even make their own, or you can make one for the whole family. So think about the different things that are important to the child. Now, of course, they may not want to put in their favorite toy because that means they won't see it for a while. Your family could come up with a list of favorite food, favorite TV show, best friend's name, and put it on a list and roll it up, tie it with a ribbon, and tuck it into a bottle. Now, depending on the age of your children and their patience level, you may not be able to put it away for too long. If you're moving and posted, like military family often is, you can always put the time capsule in the back of the closet. So when it's time to move, you take it with you and open it at your next destination. If you're staying around for a while, you could actually bury it in the backyard, which is a lot of fun. So get creative, get the family together, and create a time capsule of your favorite items. PSP Kingston, the health and wellness provider for the military community.